So hello guys, today I'm going to show you how to work on your WhiteHat project 47, that is make your own game 4. So let's start with the variables created. So variables are created as you can see here, and the first function is the function period in which the images, animation and the sounds are loaded by using load image, load animation and load sound function. So the next one is the function setup in which the canvas is created and the sprites are created by using the create sprite function, and the images is given to them by using the add image function. So the next one is the function draw in which the background, that is black, is given and the sound for the background sound is given. So if it's not necessary, you can also cut it, but here in my case it's necessary, so I will keep it as it is. So the next one is to spawn the trees. So if frame count equals to 20, then the trees should spawn, and we have given the depth to the tree and game over to the comparison and tree restart and tree flip. So they should not be hidden behind one another. So the next one is the collide function for the girl to the stopper, so that it could not jump into the air, and the collider for the girl is given so that it should be exact position of the girl. So here we have given the console.log for the girl.py, so we can get to know the girl's y position. So the next one is the girl.velocity, means we have given the gravity to the girl and it should collide the invisible ground. So the next one, that if game state equals to play, then game over should be not visible, restart should be also not visible, and score should increase by after every 60 frame rates, and other obstacles should spawn, that is the bullet. And the next one, that the background velocity should increasing by every divided by the score to the 100. So the next one is the background's X position. So the background's X position is given, but here is the if condition, so that it should loop again and again. So the next one is the if score equals to 100, then after every 100 score it should play and sound. So the next one is the jumping for the girl, so that if we press on the space key it should jump, or otherwise if we click on the screen it should also jump, and the jump sound should be also played. So that, and the next one is the if girl dot is touching obstacle group, means if the girl is touching obstacles, the game state should end and the die sound should be played. So what should be in the game state equals to end? So in the game state equals to end, there should be game over and restart should be visible as true, and the velocity for the girl, tree and the background should be 0, and the tree should be destroyed, and the obstacle should also be destroyed, and the girl and wood should be invisible, that is dot visible equals to false. So the next one is that is the lifetime for the obstacle groups, and the next one, that if we press on the restart button or we click on the restart button, or else we can also click on the enter button like this, so it will restart the game. And the next one is the draw sprite, as you always know, and the text for the score is given. So the next one is the function trees in which the trees are spawned, and here we have given a unique if condition, that if scale equals to 1, the tree scale should be means decreased, and the y position also be decreased. So you can see this code in the description. You can see this code. It's a little tough of this tree spawning and the scales. So just practice it and you will be perfect in that. And the depth for the tree is to girl, and the velocity and the lifetime. So the next one is the function reset, in which we have given that if we click on the reset button, what changes should happen. So here we have given that, and how, on which position and how the obstacle should spawn, that we have given here by using the variable obstacle, and then we have only one obstacle, so we didn't use the switch function here. But if you have more than one obstacle, you can use the switch condition. So as you can see here, the next one is the depth of the obstacles to the which obstacles to the tree, and obstacle to the grass, and the obstacle to the tree again. So here we have repeated this because in the first time it was not working, but it needs again to, means here also we can give as 12, or otherwise here we can give as 10 and 2, means 10 plus 2 equals to 12. It is a normal math. So hope you understood the video. If you understood the video, make sure to like the video, subscribe the channel. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.
Om zimam zimam bing bing boo, tum sastena se, tar chimate chati se. Om zimam zimam bing bing boo, tum sastena se.